BYD's upscale brand Fangcheng Bao recently took the wraps off a striking sports car named the Super 9, alongside two new SUVs, in a dazzling event held in China. This captivating speedster is set to make its public premiere at this month's Beijing Auto Show, also known as Auto China. The Super 9 was presented by Wolfgang Egger, BYD's design chief, renowned for his work at the helm of design departments for Alfa Romeo, Seat, Lancia, and Audi/Lamborghini. This speedster marks a departure from anything we've seen from BYD before. While Fangcheng Bao currently offers only the Leopard 5 SUV, the Super 9, though showcased as a concept, is slated for production and will hit the market as the Bao 9. Crafting the design of a speedster is a challenging endeavor, but Fangcheng Bao's team has risen to the occasion. The concept's front fascia features a sculpted bumper with sizable air intakes and intriguing LED headlights and DRLs, exuding a distinct road presence. Opting for rear-facing cameras over traditional wing mirrors and adorning the concept with center-locking wheels add to its avant-garde appeal. Characterized by a lengthy hood, the Super 9 boasts well-balanced proportions, reminiscent of high-end speedster models like the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. The cockpit is centered within the car, while the rear end showcases prominent buttresses, a sizable diffuser, and sleek taillights, echoing the shape of the Fangcheng Bao badge. Inside, the Super 9 offers a visually striking cabin, featuring carbon fiber-backed bucket seats with vibrant red cushioning and aggressive bolsters for both driver and passenger. A motorsport-inspired carbon fiber steering wheel and a digital instrument cluster enhance the sporty ambience, while a large panel spans from front to rear, dividing the driver and passenger areas. Beneath its captivating exterior, the Super 9 boasts a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque. While specific technical details are yet to be disclosed, it's anticipated to feature a battery-electric powertrain. In addition to the Super 9, Fangcheng Bao also introduced the Bao 3 and Bao 8 SUVs at the same event, enriching BYD's diverse portfolio.